Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Escape's oil light. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is completely off. Then, turn the ignition key to the on position. If you have a push-button start, press the button once without pressing the brake pedal. This will power up the dashboard display without actually starting the engine, preparing your vehicle for the reset process. It's a simple first step to get you ready. Next, you'll use the controls on your steering wheel, typically the arrow buttons on the right side, to navigate the instrument cluster display. Press the menu button to enter the main menu. Scroll down to find Settings, then select it. From there, proceed to Vehicle, and finally, highlight Oil Life or Oil Life Reset on the screen. This will bring you to the specific option needed for the reset. Once you've reached the Oil Life screen, locate the OK or Reset button on your steering wheel. Press and hold this button down for approximately 5 seconds. You should see a message confirming the reset, and the oil life percentage will change to 100%. This indicates that the system has successfully registered the oil change, and the reminder light should now be off. It's a quick and satisfying step. To complete the process, turn your ignition completely off. Then, restart your vehicle to confirm the oil change light is no longer illuminated. If the steering wheel method doesn't work for your specific model, an alternative is to turn the ignition on, then press and hold both the accelerator and brake pedals for about 20 to 25 seconds until Reset Complete appears. This covers most Ford Escape models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.